Are you tired of spending hours researching and writing essay? And you wish there's an easier way to generate high quality essay without breaking the bank? Well, look no further. Because I'm here to introduce you to this AI essay generator, which called Perfect Essay Writer. It's an amazing tool that uses natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to create unique and high quality essay on a variety of topics. Whether you are a high school student, college student, or you have a master's degree, so this AI essay generator can serve your needs and help you save time. And one of the best things about this AI tool, it's completely free and you don't need to pay anything to anyone. Additionally, it's incredibly fast and you can generate an essay in just a few minutes, freeing up your time for other important tasks. And for using this AI essay generator, it's very simple. All you need to do is to go to this website, which I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and it's gonna ask you a few questions. First, you need to enter your essay topic, then just choose your academic level, high school, college, master, or even a doctoral. Then the other things you need to enter how many pages you want the essay and how many resources you want the AI to use in this essay. And to go furthermore, you can describe your task in detail and it will give you more accurate. Even if you don't feel to describe your task, just hit generate essay and that will be okay. So now let me test this AI tool for you. I'm going to AI essay writer and I give it a topic for the essay. As you can see, after I click generate, instantly start to generate an essay for me. Also, they have another feature on this website, which is the AI essay outline. As you can see, there's some errors sometimes with this website, so you need to go more than one time to generate a more accurate one for you. But since it's free, so no problem, you can go try forever. And to test if this essay is really unique, I'm going to go to this website and check this out. It is 100% unique. Now, if you like this essay, just hit download and you're gonna get a PDF file for your essay. So what you waiting for? Go ahead and test the tool and tell me in the comment section what you think about it. It is good or not. And don't forget to drop a like and click this subscribe button. Watch this video right here if you need. And peace out in another video.